been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Real change. And when I don't work, I'm back to selling back the shit for sure. Ain't no get up in the hood, I set up shop at in the store. Nigga play with me in the
What's up, Uniqueens Kings? It's your girl, she's Unique, and I am Biggity back with another video. Today it is not a vlog, but it is a hair video. I don't know if you guys know, but if you're a part of Unigang or an A1 Day 1 Unigang member, I'm telling you, you already know my most viewed video is my hair video, which was a easy slick back natural ponytail for under $10 or for only $10. One of the two, which I'll list it here. Make sure y'all check it out. But today is another hair video, and this hair video is a $5.99 hair video, okay? I want to show y'all the hair that I got and then the products that I'm going to use. Okay, so it's with the brand Speedy Updo in the color 1B from Bobbi Boss. It originally was $19.99. But I got it for $5.99 in my local beauty supply store. Here are the soft locks. And that is how the model is wearing it. I'm wearing mine in a low pony. Just because I don't like how bulky it looks at the top of her head or whatever. And it is a drawstring ponytail. The one she's wearing is in a color 2. Here is the model style number. It is 30 inches long, and those are also the available colors they have, and it's called Faux Loc L. And then here again, there's a style. And then here are Speedy Updo Drawstring Ponytail series of their updos that they have that you can purchase. And again, here is that. Then it just says Speedy Updo on the side. And the same over here. Before we even get into this video, y'all already know, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on so you don't miss any upcoming videos, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below with any video requests, any comments, concerns, questions, anything, y'all. I got y'all. So this is what it looks like. Oops. Okay, let's down your hair. Okay, fresh out the box. And it's actually really soft. So this is the inside of the box and the bag that it came in. Here's the back where it says premium synthetic fiber, flame retardant, easy and secure fit, seamless installation, instant style in minutes, which is my type of time, and it's only $5.99. So now on the inside it had the little stuff to keep the circular shape. I like how this has a net. I've never had one with that, so I'm pretty intrigued about that. Oh, it's a real secure drawstring, and it's already got the wraparound, so you ain't even gotta worry about wrapping shit around. And it's like locked in, wrapped around. Inside, there is a comb on each side. $5.99, don't play with her. Don't play with her. So we're gonna use a hard brush. I just got mine from the beauty supply store. Then I'm gonna use my favorite edge control, which is Edge Booster. An edge brush. Then you're going to need you some Got to Be spray. The only reason I'm using this because when I'm in a rush, I just use all edge control. But I'm starting to notice that my edge control, when I use it in bulk like that and rush like that, it makes my hair a little flaky and white looking, which I can't stand. So I want to use edge control on like the base and like the main back middle part. But for the top, I want to flat iron and spray with Got to Be, okay? Okay, y'all, so I look a little crazy. But anyways, this is my hair air dry, and I've already brushed it, like brushed the curls out of it and try to give it like the fluff. I'm about to now blow dry. I just have the Red by Kiss blow dryer with the little detangler brush. Okay, so now that my hair is blow dried out, y'all listen, my hair has come a long way. If you know, you know. I did this big chop on my head. It is growing back so nicely. Let me go ahead and section this head off so y'all can see.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
This part is the easiest part. This is just the base. Put some oil in it. I'm just using olive oil. Listen, y'all don't have to use all these products. I'm just doing this because I want my hair to last. Just did 2 loops like this for the base. And then I just go in with my edge control.
Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
I'm gonna take some edge control and go over it again. Cause mind you, I'm about to be in Florida. I need this thing to lay, okay?
What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime.
And again, you guys don't have to do this part, the straightening, but I gotta make this last for the weekend. So I'm showing you guys what I'm doing. A flat iron, a hot comb. Usually I slick it all back, but I wanted to try something different, especially since it's the locks. So I'm gonna section off my hair. Oh, and I'm also gonna be using my Carrot Care wax stick.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Alright, see, it's getting somewhere, okay?
some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
This time doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror.
Okay, I still haven't straightened the middle part, but I wanted to go ahead and slick the side parts down.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time,
You
don't
put the hair tie on and it automatically kind of sticked. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that to these, like that. And then we're just gonna blow dry.
for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry.
Now I'm gonna do the same to the other side and I'm gonna come back. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so now I'm just bunning it. I did it like in a little bunny hop bun and then just taking this and bunning it for the ponytail part. And now time for my edges. I ain't gonna lie, I'm in a rush, so if y'all need a tutorial on that, I will show y'all in a separate video. Just comment it down below, but I'll be right back with the edges. Okay, my edges is finished. It is laid, honey, okay? Okay.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
This time, doing what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Then pull the drawstrings real tight. Then I'm just gonna take the band and I like to wrap it around. Then pin it with 2 bobby pins.
Doing what I want.
Get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
I'm gonna put one more in for extra security.
You doing what you want.
maybe I'll love myself. I don't know.
And my hair is done. So this is the final look. And it looks so realistic, like. And I ain't had to do much of nothing, y'all. I'm gonna go over my edges one more time just to give it that extra stability. But let me let y'all see the back.
Only Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I